you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my March book haul. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I know that I uploaded my February book haul at the beginning of March. However, due to certain uploads that I have to kind of keep on top of, i.e. my Lush ones, that one had to be put back a little bit. So I feel like you've had 2 book hauls in 1 month, so I do apologise. But I did want to share with you the books I've bought because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 more books. 4 weeks ago, I had 13 books to share with you. Now I have 12 more. I have a serious issue, especially I can't control myself. So someone please take away my Amazon account because honestly this is becoming a problem. But I'm so excited to share with you the books I've bought. As always, please let me know down below if you've read any of these books. Let me know your 5-star rating, but just don't give me any spoilers. I'd love to know. And also if there are any other books by these authors or just in general that you think I would enjoy, also let me know down below because I'd love to know. Let's dive into the haul. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So firstly, I'm going to start off with 1,000 Boy Kisses by TILLIE Cole. Now apparently this book is going to make me cry, and I have seen so many people read this book. I love watching reading vlogs, so I might start doing a few of my own, but I've seen so many people read this book and bawl their eyes out, and I feel like I needed a really good kind of book that will make me cry. You know, when you're in the mood just to have like an emotional read, I feel like this one is perfect. So I'm so excited about this, and I feel like I know roughly what this one is about, but I'm not going to say anything on camera because I don't want to spoil it. But I am so excited to give this a read. So that is the first one I got. I got this one from The Works. It was £5. I bought it online, and I've realised that buying books from The Works online is really easy, and you can literally collect it from store. So that is a dangerous game. Plus they gave me a 15% off code for my next order, so that is a problem, but I'm excited about that. Also from The Works, I picked up From Luke Off with Love by Mariana Zapata. I'm excited about this. I've heard very good things about this author, so I'm really excited to give this one a go. Let me know down below if you've read anything by this author and if there's any other books I should read by them, because I'm very excited about this book. I've heard very good and bad things about this book. Again, I think it might be a bit of an emotional situation. It says on the back that she's the queen of slow burn romance, and I don't know whether I love slow burn or not. I feel like I love it when the characters start to get like together and you get like a bit of the juiciness of the kind of relationship, but also I think this will be a lot more deep, if you know what I mean. So I am really excited about this one. Again, I have no idea what this one is about, but I'm so excited to finally have it because it's been on my list for a very long time. So I picked this one up from The Works as well, and that one was also £5. Another Works find, this is Underneath the Sycamore Tree by B. Celeste. I've heard that this is meant to be really good. Again, is it an emotional read? Have I bought a lot of emotional books this month? I don't even know, but this book apparently is meant to be really good. And again, I saw this in The Works and it was £5 and I couldn't not pick it up, so I had to buy it. The same with every other book in The Works. It's always on a whim and I always pick it up. But again, I wanted this one for a while and I saw a lot of people pick this up from The Works, so I was on a hunt for it and I found it when I went to Bath and I was like, right, you're coming home with me, let's go. So I'm really excited to give this a read. It's got a really good flop to it as well, so I'm really looking forward to that. And again, it's not overly long. It is 350 pages, so I'm really looking forward to that one. Love that. I feel like I may as well stick with the books I picked up from The Works. So I have 3 by Sarah. I'm going to pronounce her last name wrong. Is it Desai? D-E-S-A-I. I'm really sorry I've pronounced that wrong. But the first one I have is The Marriage Game, which I've seen a lot of people on TikTok pick up. I think that's mainly why I bought it. Also the fact that it's got a very aesthetically pleasing cover, especially when I show you the next 2 I also bought from her. So I also picked up The Singles Table, which looks like a really cute read as well. I feel like just from the cover, I'm gonna guess 2 people go to a wedding on their own and they end up falling in love. That is my guess, just from the cover. And then I also picked up The Dating Plan, which I'm assuming is like a fake dating kind of vibe. Not sure, but to be honest with you, I mainly picked these up because look how cute they look together. That's when you know you have a serious book buying issue, is the fact you've bought them literally for the aesthetic of the books, but they're so beautiful. And I kind of like eyed up this one and I was like, well, I may as well get the others, and these were on the 3 for £6 section, which I think is an absolute bargain, buying a book for £2. I think that's so good. So I picked up those 3, and I also got those from Bath as well, so if you're local to Bath, that is where I found that one. And the last book I picked up from the works was £8.50, and that is Heartbones by Colleen Hoover. I love the new cover of this, I'm not gonna lie. I did really love the old cover, and the fact that the old one was paperback, I really regret not picking it up. But me and Kelsey added this to our book club for the year. This is April's pick, so this was Kelsey's choice, and I'm really looking forward to it. But when I went to go and purchase it, it was just sold out everywhere, and then I realised it's because they were bringing out a new cover. So I've got it in hardback, which I am excited about because I did really enjoy reading the last book of hers in hardback because the font is absolutely massive, so I got through it really quickly. But this one on the back, it says, damaged people recognise other damaged people. It's like a club you don't want a membership to, which I'm really excited about. I have no idea what this book is about, but I'm really looking forward to it, and I absolutely love the cover of this. So if you want to be part of our book club for the year, we have made a whole video on it, so go and check that out. But essentially we're just reading one book a month that's the same, and it's just so we can discuss it. I think next year we're going to try and be a bit more organised with doing it on an app where we can all be kind of like discussing it together. So yeah, that's going to be really fun. But this is the book for April, and I picked it up because obviously it was £8.50 from the works, and I ordered it specifically so that I had a copy basically, because I was stressing that I wasn't going to find one. So that is my last book from the works. And the last 5 books are all from Amazon. And it all started off with this one, which is The Savage by Sophie Lark. Now this was a gift from my friend Flo for Secret Santa, which I know what you're thinking, why have you only just got your Secret Santa? And it's because we're all busy people. We met up at the end of January, and she gave me my Secret Santa, and I was just so excited to open this because I have been wanting this collection of books for months. They've been on my wish list for absolutely ages, and she was like, I bought it because I thought you'd like to start a new series. I don't think she realised this was the 5th book in the series, so I had to get myself the other 4, which is absolutely fine because I'm still so grateful, and it did give me an excuse to go and buy the rest. So we have The Savage by Sophie Lark. I believe this is like a mafia romance series, which I'm all for. So this is the first one I received, but the 5th one in the series. So then I also had to pick up the others. So we have The Bully. This is in no particular order, by the way, because I'm not actually sure which order this is supposed to go in, but like, look how big the font is. We love that, and it's got a good flop to it as well. Love that too. But yeah, this is The Bully by Sophie Lark again, obviously. We then have The Rebel, which is beautiful, and then we have The Spy, which I love the cover of this. It's so beautiful. And then we have The Heir, which I think might be the first one. Like, look how stunning that is. These are all the new illustrated covers, which I really wanted because I am personally not a fan of having like half naked people on my cover. So I love this. So this is the new series of covers, and I absolutely love them. So yeah, Kingmakers series, Sophie Lark. Definitely excited to read this one. So yeah, got those. So that is everything for my March book haul. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I know I need to call it with the book buying, but I cannot control myself. I just love it so much. So let me know down below what books you've bought recently, if you've bought any, if you've read any of these, I would love to know. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.